Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about provider could not be found problem. We have a number of customers reporting this problem on our support forum. I just want to explain how it all works and it will make life of everyone easier. This problem is only related to working with SQL Server. Our software is using both a DBC provider for SQL Server and a LDB provider for SQL Server. A DBC provider is used for importing and exporting data. A LDB provider is used for repository connections and working with loops, SQL scripts, and data editing. It is very important when you install a LDB provider, it matches the version of a DBC you have installed. So written in the documentation. In fact, we have the whole wiki page dedicated to this problem. So for example, if you want to work with latest version of SQL Server, we recommend using DBC driver 18 and Microsoft LDB driver 19 because it does support connecting to Microsoft Azure and Fabric data warehouse access. So how do I check which versions of DBC providers and LDB providers we have? So all we need to do, go to Options dialog, click on DBC Manager. Please note that it is 64-bit, and I'm using 64-bit application, so it is very important not to get confused. As you can see, I have the latest version of DBC driver installed, which is 18. And if I go to LDB Manager, I need to click Build. And here is the list of all LDB providers installed. Again, it is 64-bit. Now, how do I address the problem? So there are multiple ways of doing this. A very simple one, just install SQL Server Management Studio. Because since you're working with SQL Server anyway, most likely you would need it, and it will install all the drivers. This is a rather very large download, and you might not want it. Another solution is just to go to our wiki. Again, we have a list of SQL Server DBC drivers. So you can just go and download it. The latest one is download the driver. Version 18. 18 will update wiki later. And we have also links to LDB drivers. You just click this link, download it, install it. Very important that you have installed Microsoft Visual C++ registrable as well, otherwise installation will not work. And the last option you can use, but we do not recommend it, you can just disable automatic LDB driver selection, but this only applies to the repository. And select the driver you want. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial useful. As usual, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go to our support forum. Post them there. We'll do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.